We are Flaming Gorge. First time ever fly fishing. First time ever fishing this river. I got Derek's little drift boat here. He will be my guide today. I'm gonna do a little Apollo fishing. I don't know if you can see that while we wait. He says I'm not allowed to touch the fly gear until he gets back. Makes sense. Only learned how to cast 2 days ago. So that's the premise for today's video. We'll see how it goes. Bye. Snoopy Rock. All right, guys, my first fish ever on a fly. Nice brown, decent fish. All right, here you go. I gotta wet my hands. All right, guys, we're here right across the boat ramps. I was just telling Derek, good job on getting me a fish. When I hooked up with fish number 2, I wasn't even wasn't even trying too hard, but catch is a catch, right, Derek? It counts. Yeah, look at the colors on that bad boy. All right, let's get him out. All right, guys, end of the trip.
Can't be telling people.
Oh. Okay. Well. 7 hour. I'm gonna have to restart this video. 2 gorgeous browns. Didn't keep either of them. Both of them were returned. Lance Egan's red dart. I know nothing about them, but they're cool. Derek was kind enough to give me this one that I caught my fish on. That will go somewhere cool. Yep. You want to say hi, YouTube, Derek? Okay. Until next time, YouTube, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.